Cobourg is known for its strong sense of community, everyday conveniences, and a relaxed small town lifestyle people are searching for. Right here at 577 Sinclair Street is a charming bungalow with great living space, a fully finished basement with separate side entrance which opens itself to many possibilities and set in a great neighborhood. One of the first things you'll notice is the expansive covered front porch, a perfect place to relax with a morning coffee or unwind at the end of the day while enjoying the neighborhood. The main floor offers a comfortable and practical layout with 3 bedrooms, a bright living room with upgraded window coverings, a welcoming dining area, and a well-designed kitchen that makes everyday living easy. The updated main floor bathroom adds a fresh, modern feel while still maintaining the warmth and character of the home. Downstairs, the finished basement expands the living space with a large family room, stone fireplace, an additional bedroom, and a second bathroom. Set in a nice residential neighborhood, the home is close to schools, parks, and everyday amenities. And when you want to enjoy everything Cobourg is known for, the beach, marina, and historic downtown shops and restaurants are all just a short drive away.